put. Tell me you got that! Run! Run!
Do you know that feeling when you're doing exactly what you were put on the earth to do? The one where it's like everything inside you is moving together in harmony with the universe.
No!
Me neither. But, you know, one can hope, right? Wave to mommy, because she'll hate me even more than she already does if you don't.
I seem to recall you saying that becoming a lawyer would only crush your soul.
Yeah, it has.
I'm running a business, and right now that business is getting a journalist and an out of Paldonia.
No.
It's a one-off.
No, and no. Who's a journalist?
I have resigned my position here.
Not interested.
20 grand says you are.
Welcome to Polonia.
President Venegas, so nice to meet you.
We must take a selfie. You approve? Ah,
Great.
vámonos!
Ow! What the hell just happened?
Your one-man security detail happened. He's a hero.
I'm with the president of a country in the middle of a coup. This is the scoop of a lifetime.
You gotta be alive to have the scoop for a lifetime. We never should have come. Let's go.
You can't just leave him.
Run! Run!
Ready to go, I don't know how to stop. When you start at the bottom, only way to go is up.
I'm just doing my job.
Do you need help?
I get up again, then I got to win. I get up again, then I got to win.
What? You're still excited to cover a coup?
Less and less, honestly.
Where is Venegas? Here is Venegas!
Hey! Not the time for coaching, man!
Oh, my God.
Color me impressed, Mr. Petit. Not Petit at all.